Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening iCloud. Calm and signing in with your Apple ID. Once there, open Calendar and pick the calendar you want to share. Enable the calendar's sharing option, make it public or request the private subscription link, and then copy the IKE's or private subscription URL to your clipboard. Make sure you choose the calendar you need because each one has its own URL. If you see a long webcol / or https / link, that's the address you'll paste into Google Calendar next. You now switch to Google Calendar in a browser while logged into the Google account you want to sync. Go to Settings, pick Add Calendar, and choose from URL, paste the webcol / or https / IKE's link you copied from iCloud. Click Add Calendar and Google will subscribe to that feed. Give it a moment to import events. Sometimes it takes a minute or two. If events don't appear immediately, refresh the calendar view and confirm the subscription shows under Other Calendars. You finish by checking that events appear and that times match your time zone settings in Google Calendar. Make sure recurring events look right. If changes from Apple aren't showing, remove and re-add the URL. Sometimes Google caches an old version. Also confirm the iCloud link is still valid. Private links can change if you toggle sharing. If the feed is public and missing items, recheck which calendar was exported on iCloud. One quick tip: test with a simple new event to verify two-way visibility, though this is a one-way subscription.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.